My dwarf Yaupon and wax leaf ligustrum have gotten too large. If I trim them below the greenery, will they grow back? And if so, when is the best time to do this? And this is from Miss Rosie in Forest, Mississippi. All right, so anybody want to jump in on that one? When do you think would be a good time to prune it back?
After it warms up.
After it warms up?
Yeah, a lot of evergreens you prune in the spring.
Okay.
After everything's warmed up. So latter part of April, first part of May, because as the roots are, you cut them back, and while it's trying to come out of dormancy or the winter, and that's going to flush more growth out, so it will have a better chance of coming back faster than it would if you did it another time of year.
Okay, and let me go back to our initial question. So if I trim them below the greenery, will they come back?
Yeah, well, yes.
Okay.
That's why I'm saying the best time of year to do that's April, late April and May.
Below?
Below, you know, so there's like no green left, and you would be surprised at, because of the flush of growth in the spring, you know, wanting the energy to giving energy to the plant, it will break some of those dormant buds, and they'll come out, and it'll be green again.
Okay. Anything y'all like to add to that? Or would you agree with that?
I've done that several times, and people say, "Oh, you've just destroyed that plant," you know. But in order to control the size, sometimes is your objective, and that's a great way to do that.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.